During the refurbishment of a McGuire Nuclear Station Westinghouse design reactor coolant pump motor in 2013, an unusual condition was identified. During the disassembly and inspection of the motor, Areva technicians found the tube bundle of the upper bearing oil cooler heat exchanger had become stuck inside the shell of the cooler. This is a safety-related code component and is a very complex and critical piece of this machine. A careful plan was developed by the team, including the customer, to safely remove the tube bundle. Once the removed bundle had been damaged significantly during inspection and during the removal process, the lead time for a new heat exchanger of this type was far too long in order to finish the motor refurbishment in time to meet the customer's outage. We assembled a team together to design a repair process and get it approved and implement the repairs process to completion. This was an extremely critical repair that was first of a kind and high risk for the customer. The team consisted of engineers, welders, technicians, machinists, ANIs, and customer representatives. The high-stakes leadership module states that a team should be used when an identified performance objective potentially impacts multiple stakeholders to a significant degree, and this was certainly the case. I immediately met with the team as a whole and discussed in detail what the issue at hand was, introduced all the team members and their background, and outlined a generic plan. I immediately moved us into the foreman stage, where I observed some hesitation of involvement likely due to uncertainty because of a first-of-a-kind repair. I could immediately tell team members from all sides were eager and excited to accept this challenge of a first-of-a-kind repair and see it through to success. One tactic I used to steer this team into working together and beginning storming was clearly stating and identifying the vision and goal of this team and how each of their roles would be used to achieve this. That provided the solid base that the team needed, and it quickly became a working group of team members moving through the various phases of storming, norming, and performing. We met daily for weeks to discuss where we were, track action items, and look ahead. I soon noticed that this team was moving like a well-oiled machine on its own, and all I was doing was providing resources and direction to keep them moving. At the end of the project, we had successfully completed and repaired a critical component using a first-of-a-kind process never done before in the industry. The motor was finished on time and returned to the customer in time for their outage, building a level of trust and reliability with a top customer that will last for a long time. Leading a team under these types of pressured circumstances requires a lot of emotional intelligence as a leader. I think that the ability to identify when the team needed a push in the right direction or the ability to provide them what they could not provide for themselves is key to leading the team to success.